Hey there, today we're going to look at how to sync linked records from Google Sheets to Airtable. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. Over here, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and log in with your credentials. After that, go to your Airtable workspace and click on the table you want to sync with Google Sheets. Over here, click on Extensions in the toolbar, then select Add an extension. In the search bar, type Data Fetcher. When it appears, click Add next to it. Then click Add extension to integrate it into your table. After that, sign up for a Data Fetcher account by clicking on Sign up for free. Once signed up, create your first request. In the request fields, type Google Sheets and select it when it appears. Then click on New Google Sheets connection to connect Airtable with your Google Sheets. Before finishing, click Save to store all your settings and connections. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.